It's late. Robin's eating dinner without us because he couldn't wait for brown rice. Why are you yelling? How's school? How was school? Good? What did you learn today? Huh? What did you learn today? Tell us what you learned today. You went to play with Bradley? Yes, you did. What else? No, what else did you learn today? Huh? Okay. Well, she's being obnoxious. So, I made chili for dinner. So, I just made, the lighting is great right here. Woo! It's been windy all day long. So, I made chili for dinner. And it's just, it's not even ground beef chili. It's, ground turkey with peas, no. It's ground turkey with, my brain went blank. It's ground turkey with, what are you eating, babe? Ground turkey. It's windy outside. Wow. Ground turkey with peas. No, it's not. Yeah, it's red peas. Oh my gosh. Oh my word. Look, can you guys see that? Wow. The rail of the deck was like shaking violently. So, let me move from there because let me show you guys what it is. That's what it is. Rob said it's good. And then I'm making the kids brown rice.
What?
Pointing at me. Ah! Juju! Wow! Juju, what did you didn't protect me.
You don't like it?
He don't like you doing it, pointing it at him.
Is it? Come here. Come here.
He's just pretty.
Come on. Come here.
Mama's cool pup.
You don't like it?
Why you push the stuff off the couch? Why can't you pick the clothes back off the ground? Oh. Why? Do you have to be so Huh?
Daddy.
So, I'm waiting on brown rice for the kiddos. So I can give them their dinner. But brown rice take forever to cook. I don't know if you guys ever cook brown rice, but brown rice takes forever. And I'm sitting here like,
What's the matter?
I'm coming. Let me show you guys the brown rice because this shouldn't take so long to cook. Like, dinner around here is going to be like late. Hold on. It looks cooked. Oh, looks cooked. I don't know. It tastes cooked. I just need the water to evaporate. I'm gonna let it cook some more. Hi, Jackson. What are you complaining about now?
Jordan's watching on his tablet.
You're not supposed. Did you do your homework?
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you figure out the math problem?
Guess what though?
Why?
They let him play on his Chromecast today.
They did?
Yep.
Why?
Because they were on a field trip to an ice skating rink or something and he couldn't go.
He couldn't go. Why couldn't he go?
It was like $60 some.
Oh, okay. So they let him play on the tablet
Yep.
all day?
I'm not sure how long.
I wish I knew. I would have kept him home.
Yep.
Because he's not supposed to be on technology. Oh, I had a meeting today at his school.
There you go.
I didn't go because I forgot.
You didn't put it in your...
I forgot about the meeting, but I already spoke to someone on the phone.
What did they say?
That they were gonna take him out of. So it was already discussed, the plan. So I didn't feel the need to go to a meeting that was already. I didn't feel the need to go somewhere to discuss something that we already made plans for. They say he's failing 7th grade. We already made arrangement to pull him out of inclusion classes and take him out and put him in seclusion, where he's not going to have any stimulation or it's just going to be kids that has IEPs, all IEPs. So that was the plan. So basically, Jordan is failing 7th grade, and I think I touched on this yesterday when I answered, when I did the update that Jordan is failing 7th grade. And I was supposed to go to a meeting at his school, but I had already discussed on the phone what are our plans to get him caught up so that he doesn't fail 7th grade. So I didn't feel the need to go to a meeting that we already figured out a plan to get him. So right now he's in inclusion classes, meaning that he's in class with regular kids as well as some kids that has IEPs. And so we agreed, well, I agreed to take him out of inclusion classes and put him in seclusion, meaning that he gets to be away from everything, distraction. I think there's only 8 kids in that class, and they all have IEPs. They don't get to be on their Chromebook because Jordan get distracted and stuff like that. So I had already made arrangement for him where it's gonna be, I feel like inclusion classes creates way too much thing. I don't even know what I'm trying to say. My brain is everywhere. I feel like Jordan needs to be isolated. He gets distracted. The other day he found himself in a situation where he was the bully, basically. And I asked him why he was doing that, and he said to make my friends laugh. So I'm like, oh, you have friends now. You're a friend. I'm like, no, don't do that, Jordan, because I will come to your school and embarrass you. Don't try to make nothing. You'll become the joke. So I told him to cut that out. So, which is kind of sad because middle school is so different from elementary, period. But I'm going to go get these kids dinner, and then I'll come back and catch up and keep talking. Oh, Mia asked, I'll answer that later. Okay guys, so this is my dinner, and I'm just gonna have it just like that. No rice, no carb, no nothing, just like that. And I left Rob a little bit in here for his lunch tomorrow. Guys, I have some these blinds. Like, I love my wines, but they get so dirty. Like, I don't know how to clean. Like, how do you guys clean your blinds? So you just take them down and wash them? Because Juju, he comes at the window right there and put his paw right there. And right here, he's wearing out the thing right here. I don't know how to stop him from doing that. But how do you clean these blinds? Do you take them down and put them in the wash? Or do you, hand wipe every single one of them? Because I have too many windows. But I don't have a ton of windows, but I have a lot of windows. Because you can see, look, that's from Maddie. Always, look at her. Always touching. Go on somewhere, child. No, see? There she go. Go eat your dinner. Go finish your dinner before Juju come eat it. Go. Juju gonna eat it. Yes, go eat. Go finish your dinner. Go. Why don't you listen?
Look at that.
I can't even get a second. It's not funny. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna go edit some videos. Tell this toddler to leave me alone, please. She played too much. Bye, guys.